Happy Friday! Hello, we're back at home in our living room.
We are. Welcome
and look, we can
in.
see the floor.
Hey.
That took some effort there.
Can't see any of the room around here. But you can see. It's all good.
Lily's with us today. Hello, Lily Grace.
Hi.
Did you have a good week?
Yes.
Excellent.
It is day 2438.
Haha, that's 365. Raise the energy and create a better world.
Indeed, come on in. Give yourself that gift each and every day. We've been doing this since the start of January 2015. We invite you in to join in raising that energy for yourself and maybe inviting those around you as well to do the same for themselves.
Absolutely, and for the last week or last few days we've been dancing all around the north of Scotland, so if you haven't checked those videos out, go back and have a look because we've been in some spectacular locations for dances.
I wish we had been all around the north of Scotland. Unfortunately,
Oh,
we only fit in a tiny
one
little
tiny-
bit, but
one
we
corner.
did what we could. We did what we could, and we thoroughly enjoyed it. Totally recommend it to everybody.
We were dancing in a forest yesterday, it was awesome. Alright.
We have these.
Oh, new jewellery that Lily Grace made.
Yep.
Very
pretty.
made it.
So we're back to having too much monkey business on a happy Friday. Are you ready to join us for a dance today? Let's do it then, okay.
Too much monkey business. Too much monkey business. Too much monkey business. Me and a big politics. 7 o'clock in town, try to line me up a creek till you come back. Gonna try you can pay me next week. Too much monkey business. Too much monkey business. Too much monkey business. Me and a big politics. Brown hair, good looking, try to get me hit, you get me back. Get home, settle down by the book. Too much monkey business. Too much monkey business. Too much monkey business. Me and a big politics. Same thing every day, getting up, go to school, no need for me complaining about taking over the road. Too much monkey business. Too much monkey business. Too much business. Me and a big politics. Check the tires, start again. Too much monkey business. Too much monkey business. Too much business. Me and a big
Woo!
Oh, I forgot why I drew the end of that one. Like, you don't.
Snails. You say home.
That's right.
Alright. Thank you
September's
very
home
much
month.
for pressing play and joining us today. Do leave a friendly comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't done all that before, and we'll be back tomorrow for more dancing.
We'll see you then. Lots of love. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Bye!